Let's talk about this stunning Garden of Love palette. Let's start with these matte shades. You'll notice they're all beautiful neutral tones, perfect for everyday wear. What really sets these mattes apart is the texture. They have this beautifully refined, ultra smooth consistency that just melts onto the lids. Now, moving on to the shimmer shades. They have such a beautiful reflective quality, almost like liquid light. One swipe and you get that high impact shimmer that catches the light beautifully. And right here in the center, this is something really special. It's a Korean glass finish formula. This one's meant to give that glossy, almost wet lid effect that's so in trend right now. What's great about this entire palette is that the formulas are not only high performing, but also gentle on the skin. Every shade, matte or shimmer, is ophthalmologically tested, so it's completely safe for your eyes. I always say, a great eye look starts with great texture, and this palette absolutely delivers that.